So, some are wondering, what am I doing today on September 27, 2020 Sunday? Well, September 27 is the day I brought the truck home. September 27, 2017 to be exact. Yep, that's right. As the title implies, I've had this truck for 3 years now. And so far, everything has been good. You know what's also awesome about this day? Ooh, look at all the leaves. Look at the fall. These are some pretty cool colors. Look at that. Just wanted to show all of that. Some more right here. Alright. But anyway, back to the truck. Probably wondering, how many miles do I have in it now in 3 years? Let me show you. Yep, 68,461. And to think it would be even less, maybe a little over half of that if the Corolla hadn't screwed me, but I already mentioned that in enough other videos, so I'm just not going to really reiterate here. But that's what I got in it in 3 years, and my truck has been great so far. As for the rest of the interior, not much to see. Just my usual guard chicken, my blue chicken. That's all I have. Didn't change anything in the interior, really. Always had these high-vis hats here on the headrests. And my WeatherTech cover. That's all I really have. Kept it the same. In fact, I just like it the way it is. Just what I need, but nothing too fancy. So, I've left that alone. The one notable thing I've done to it this year so far, any of you Ram owners out there, you know what a tradesman grill looks like. It's just bare plain plastic. So what I had done here, instead of just making everything black, because this grill can be separated into the 3 pieces, the honeycomb, the crosshair, and the ram's head. I like mixing chrome and black, but I kind of wanted the honeycomb just the way it was, but just a little bit of contrast, but a little bit of gloss to it, so they did just that for me, and it was done at Gotham Works, by the way. I will leave the link in the description. It'll have all the information, phone numbers, addresses, what have you. So you're able to separate the grill into 3 pieces. They just made the honeycomb. They sprayed some clear over it to make it glossy, but also protect it. I had to make this gloss black, but I wanted to keep the ram's head chrome. And I really think this camera does it no justice here. But I love the outcome of it. And I'm about to show a few other things they did on the front end here. And I'll delve into that in just a second. So the one other thing they also did for me, you might not see it again, especially with all the glare. I am not sure how well the camera's going to pick it up, but this part here is filmed. That's how superior today's films are. A good quality film that you don't even know is there. I mean, you can feel the bump. Yeah, I know, I got to have that little repair done here, but that won't be blocked by the bumper I'm putting in. So, there was all this touch-up paint that I tried doing myself. Came out very splotchy. They were able to grind out all that touch-up paint. You'll really see that on the other side. And I just love what they did here. And they did all that before they put the film over it. And they even took the extra step of taking out the headlight. I think that's what they did. They could wrap the film around the edge of the fender here. So now it's really protected. Don't have to worry about paint chips. And if I mosey on over to the other side, you can really see the spots that I tried doing myself. I think you can. I don't know how else it's going to be picked up, but you even know this film is here. And I just love the work they did. It was far better than anything I was ever going to do. And I'm glad I paid what I paid to have this grill done, because I always run into some disaster just trying to paint things myself. Not that I don't necessarily know how to paint. It's just that I just don't have the right conditions for it. And you know, when you botch a paint job on plastic, it's that much worse because you can't really sand too hard. All that other nonsense. So I said, you know what? I'll just pay someone else to do it once. And the only other thing that happened this year, this was done by my parking garage I usually go to. My Hyundai was down. This happened in mid-July. Now, I don't want to disclose too many details here, only because I now had to get my insurance company involved. But ultimately, I acted on it right away. I even had the dash cam footage that caught the employee's face. The guy was caught. So one would think that the garage company would have acted on this right away, and instead they didn't. They went from dragging their feet to now just leaving me high and dry. So had to call my insurance company, made a PDF of all the emails that went on between me and the garage. And the way my insurance company is making it sound, they've got some leverage here. And hey, they do. 2 entire months, over 2 entire months they had, so just waiting to see the outcome of that. But nevertheless, everything's been arranged with my body shop. Gonna get this fixed next week. And then after that, I got one other thing that's taking place. So back to the front end. The one last thing I'm gonna have done to this truck, I'm gonna see my guy at Linex, have him put in Weston Automotive part number 58-31175, and of course have it Linexed. That's why I'm having my guy at Linex do it. And just picture that bumper on the truck. I'll leave the link to that bumper in the description. Can't wait to have it put on. And that's pretty much what I'm having done the week after I take it to the body shop. On the back side of things, for anyone who was wondering or even cared to know, well, the bed's just loaded with split wood. That's pretty much it. Nothing more, nothing less. I was ready to load it to the gills, but my aunt was like, nah, I don't need that much. Like, okay, so now I can transport all these logs and have my bed covered down. Nice. So, just got that going on, and, well, not much else. So, that's all there really is to see back here. That's all I got to show for now. Yeah, I decided to put this beastie back in the garage before the storm came. Yeah, clouds getting really dark up there. So, that's it for my 3-year mark with this truck. All has been very well, and can't wait to have the other stuff done to it. I will definitely be showing that to you good folks. So, thanks for watching. Have a great day and be safe.